up, and I'm coughing up a lung I can't spare. Breathe, baby. Tonight it ends. One question on the marquee.
Yeah, why not just use ARBs? Asking for me. Last bell, you'll know who runs your pressure and what wrong costs. Some nights a cough, some nights the ref stops the fight. Far corner, America's most prescribed pressure pill, belted since the 80s, Lisinopril. Save the intro. Never lost a decision. The challenger, the 90s kid they called a knockoff, LOSARTAN. Nobody ever scored you, old man. Tonight they read the cards. Same contract either way. Angiotensin 2 goes down tonight. They only argue the door. Someone watch the dust. Nobody ever watches the damn dust. Round 1. Same target, opposite corners. Show 'em how. I don't fight angiotensin 2. I fire the factory that makes him. Romantic. Let him get made. I bolt the only door he works through. Write it down. Pril blocks the factory. Sartan blocks the door. Same result, kid. Pressure drops either way. Sure. One question, champ. Jam a factory? Where's the exhaust go? Why do I only cough at his fights? Always his card. Pull his records. That line ran 2 shifts. Days, building angiotensin 2.
Productive line.
Nights, hauling out bradykinin. You killed both shifts. Now the trash has one exit. The airways. It's dry! A hacking 3 a.m. tickle that will not quit! So the cough that showed up with the pril is the pril. That's his dust, bradykinin. Me? Never touch the factory. No dust. Clean hands. Occupational hazard. My humor's like my cough. Dry. Persistent. Nobody asked for it. When he retires, the dust settles. The cough leaves with him. Ugh. Careful, kid. Some nights the dust doesn't stay in the throat. Lips, tongue, throat's closing. This is not a tickle. Stoppage! Fights off! That's an emergency, not a side effect! My dust. When it swells, no rematch in this building. Ever. And the kid, after this, can he still fight? Usually. Nearly spotless record. Nearly. After his swell, I'm a judgment call. The flag never fully drops.
Next promoter who says well tolerated swells first.
So we're agreed. Cleaner fighter, same knockout. Before you finalize a belt you don't own, both files. Same drawer. Greatest hits, potassium climbs, creatinine twitches, and neither of us works a pregnancy. Ever. Fine. Different punches. Same paperwork. No tag team. 2-on-1 card doubles the potassium, not the win. House rule. Explain it then. Even rounds. Even files. How's he kept the belt since the 80s? The judges score it even. Every card. This belt was never won on a scorecard. Then how? First crack. 40 years of trial tape. $4 at the drugstore. And guidelines love a veteran. Never lost a decision. No, nobody ever scored one. Until tonight. Tiebreakers. Cough. Comfort. The fight after the swell. Go to the kid. Take it. Belt's heavier than it looks. It comes with dust. House rules. Whichever contract you sign, I check potassium and kidneys on both. No exceptions. If the tickle starts, don't tough it out. Say it at the counter. I would know. I've been coughing since Reagan. Next on the card, 1 old blood thinner, 4 challengers. Warfarin versus the DOACs. Please let those be dust-free.